All right, and what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Weekend Warbucks. First things first, here any side note, I got some construction going on at the house because when don't I? Anyways, so today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of all of the Chemical Guys products that I got on their Black Friday sale. Super impressed with how quick their delivery was, and I think I saved somewhere around like $80, $90 just from their Black Friday sale, which was like 30% off. So let's go ahead. Let's talk about everything that I got and all this fun stuff that I can't wait to do videos with. Let's get on with it. All right, let's start out with some of the boring stuff first. And by boring, I mean like all the towels, you know. So we're gonna be starting out with our waffle weave. It's their 25 by 36. This is like their drying towel and all that. I just wanted an extra one. I already have one, but you know, it's always good to have two because you know when one gets like stupid wet and you wring it out and you're like, I wish I had another one. Here we go. So that's gonna be that. Next up, speaking of more towels, I got some of their workhorse towels. These are their 16 by 16. I got yellow, it's a 3-pack. I got the green, and I got the blue. So, you know, this would be like your Windows. I think this is also a Windows 1, the green one. And this is going to be also for Windows. That's not right. I don't know. It just said Windows for all of them. You can use it for anything. Specifically, blue, I believe, is the window color to use. So keep that in mind if you ever buy microfiber towels. So there's that. And speaking of Windows, I also got a waffle weave, a yellow waffle weave. This is strictly for Windows. Now, what I want to do with this, obviously, is just for cleaning the windows. You know, after you've already washed your car, you know, you spray your glass cleaner or whatever it is on it. I wanted a specific window towel because, you know, I'm tired of using like all my other my other microfiber towels on my windows, and sometimes you find out that your towel didn't get as clean as it should have. Just saying. So now I have a specific one that I'm going to use specifically for my windows, and this one's 16 by 24, which is a lot of folds just to clean your windows. But when you have an SUV, you know it's a lot of glass. All right, so my other final fun thing that I got is one of their Bear Claw premium wash pads. So with their the wash pad, I've always wanted one of these. Like I see, you know, not just the Chemical Guys videos, but in other people's videos as well, they use these big wool pads. Now the only thing that I don't like about it is it doesn't have like the spot for your hand, you know, like where you can put it in, and then, you know, it'd be easier to maneuver. But I don't have a problem with just holding on to it. I'm not lazy. But hopefully this will do good. Now I know I have read reviews that say that these things just shed like crazy, but that's specifically on the first couple of uses. So expect that if you ever buy one of these. I'll let you know after I get done washing my car. And they said chances are you're gonna have a lot of the wonderful fur left over on your paint too. So yay for the next couple of washes. I don't care, I don't mind. It looks like it does an excellent job. Plus it's super soft on your paint. So, you know, I'm gonna try it out. Of course I am. All right, and then moving on to just a couple of easy fun tools that we'll be using eventually here. I got one of these boar head interior and exterior brushes. Now these are fun. These are for like, you know, if you're gonna be doing like your decals, you know, your emblems, whatever. I mean, around the outside of your car, hard to reach areas on the outside of your car, especially like your lug nut areas if they're exposed. This could be good for the interior, having to do with like your vents and stuff like that. It is very, very soft, and I like the weight on it too. It's not like it's not too heavy. I thought it was going to be, I don't know. I just pictured it being much cheaper made than what it really is. I'm kind of happy with this already, so I can't wait to use this. If you have big emblems like I do on my truck, they are a pain in the ass just to clean around, and also when you get wax around them by accident, you know, you need something to help clean that out. So this should work very well. And then also I got this, finally, my very first wheel and rim detailing brush. Love it already. It has the plastic tip on the end as well, so that'll prevent like any kind of scratching on your rims, things like that. Now I've also heard that sometimes you really got to watch with this, because sometimes it will fall off, and then you really gotta pay close attention to what you're doing. But I've had people tell me in videos, hey, why don't you get a wheel woolier or a wheel brush like this? you know, so you can get behind in on your rims, and I agree with that. And eventually, I want to do a wheels-off detail on my truck. I'm also looking for a new car, so maybe that'll happen eventually. But yeah, this I'm excited to use, and hopefully this does a good job, because I know behind my wheels, or on the backside of my rims, it's pretty gross. Hopefully this will help eliminate that, eh? All right, now what would an unboxing video be if I didn't get a couple of scents to go with my unboxing, of course. So the first one that I got was the, just a sample, the Vanilla Bean Fresh Scoop set. This, I already unwrapped them, hate me, I don't care. I will say that I like the vanilla. The vanilla isn't, it's like it's a crisp of vanilla. I don't know how else to say that. It smells good, it's not overpowering, and this is probably gonna be used quite a bit. And then next up, which was the MangoCella that unfortunately I think is leaking on me, which is probably half my fault. But yeah, the MangoCella. So I first got this, and I smelled this, I was like, wait a second, this smells familiar. And it is literally the same exact scent as the Lava Luminous Glow Infusion Wax. So, yeah, literally the same scent. So if you like the smell of this and you want your car to smell like it, go ahead, spray that in your car. I did, and the scent's still going on. It's been about 4 days now since I've sprayed it, and it's still going strong, so, you know, it's a good scent. Now, I was also supposed to get the Pina Colada scent in the big 16 ounce, you know, bottle like this, but unfortunately, I don't know if the distributor was out of it or what, because it didn't show up in my box. Giggity. And, you know, I was kind of bummed about that, but I wrote out the chemical guys. They were like, bro, I'm sorry, we're gonna send you out a new one, don't worry. So, super impressed with their customer service on that as well. All right, then next up, if any of you have been watching me for a while, you know that I'm a fan of soaps. I love soaps, I love Suds, I love tons of Suds whenever I'm doing stuff. So I had to try out the Extreme Body Wash and Wax, the color brightening technology. So I don't know how well this is gonna be. I don't even know why I keep buying soaps from chemical guys, because a lot of their soaps are watered down. I'll admit it, I don't even care. Though I will say that I love the Blacklight soap. I think it does very well. So hopefully, I'm hoping for that same overall satisfaction with this. It's probably, let's see what it smells like right off the bat. It smells like the Blacklight soap. A little bit. Hopefully it's not the same, probably is. And then from there, I also got the V07, the high gloss car wash soap. I just got a sampler pack on this because I like their V-line, but you know, I have so much of stuff to, you know, over here as well, you know, for cutting and compounding and polishing and all that, that I just really didn't want to add 95 more things to it. And you know, that was probably something that I should have done. Ooh, I like this. It smells like oranges. So I might test this one out today just so I can, you know, use it. I'll probably use it in the foam cannon and also in the bucket. We'll see. This is only a 4-ounce sample, so you know this isn't gonna be going too far. One day I'll learn how to talk. And I think that was it for the soaps. But then I also decided to get an orange degreaser. Now, I have seen videos on this one where people were saying that you can set up the ratio 3-to-1, 6-to-1. I think even on the back of the bottle it says you can go up to like 13-to-1 or something like that, or 10 to 15-to-1, which is amazing. Also, if you want to go super light on your degreaser, you could go 25 to 40 to 1, which was, you might as well just spit on whatever you're trying to clean, I would think at that point. I've had strictly orange citrus cleaners in the past before, and they have done fantastic for me. That's the only reason why I went and opted for this. Chances are I'll probably make a bottle that has 3-to-1, maybe 6-to-1 to it. This would be something to use for like your under your hood for like your engine, or really gross tires. That's if you're not using something like the nonsense or whatever for your tires, or just a regular Diablo or the sticky citrus wheel cleaner. This would be something else good just for all purpose. Now, you don't even have to use this strictly on your car. You can use this for other fun stuff around your house too. So, but me as a guy that loves orange degreasers, I had to get this, and hopefully this is going to be a big part of my arsenal. And let's see, and finally, before we get to the waxes, I also got some Extreme Clear Liquid Extreme Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. Yes, I can't have enough of this, of any tire, you know, after cleaning gel or whatever you want to call it, or sprays. I love having high gloss tires. I love it. Some people hate it. I love it. And if anything says high shine, whatever, supreme shine, extreme shine, this is something that I'm going to be doing, something I'm going to be getting, and something I will definitely be using. I love it, and hopefully this is going to do well. We're going to test this one out as well. Again, one day I'll learn how to talk. All right, then our final three things. The first thing that we're going to be talking about is the wet mirror finish. Now this is a glaze that you can use on your car, obviously. And what I like about this is that you know, you use like your glaze, then it's supposed to really give like the deep wet look, obviously with the name like this. But you know, I'm a fan of that also with my car's paint. I have a dark blue color for my SUV, and I love to see it look as good as possible. I don't have the fingernails right now to take this. Here we go. Let's see what this smells like, huh? Can't really tell. Doesn't really smell like much. Whatever, as long as it works, it's all that matters to me. So the wet mirror finish, I love like a great mirror finish on my paint. So hopefully this does the job with it being just a regular glaze. Obviously afterwards you can apply your favorite sealant, you know, like Jet Seal, which I will be doing since we're gonna be doing a video on how to get your car ready for winter. And then after you use the Jet Seal, then you can apply your wax, which is gonna be bringing me to my final two things. The first one that I had to order, and I'm probably gonna punch myself in the face for ordering these last two, but I don't care, I had to get them. The first one is the Pete's 53, the Crystal Polymer White Carnauba Paste Wax. Nice wax. Supposedly, this is gonna give great protection. It comes with the two red applicators as well. Pete's 53, if that'll, you know, zoom in on that. Now I've already opened this up, and oh, it smells like vanilla. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. It's not even. Oh, that's good stuff. Can't wait to use this. But the one that I'm going to be using the most, that I can't wait to use, and the one that probably cost me the most money, and it is going to be the Pure Concours 50/50 paste wax right here. And this comes in its own tin right there, and it's even signed by the person that poured the wax, so that's really nice too. I would open this on you right now, but it is sealed completely, you know, kind of like a paint can sealant. This is going to be, as I was reading or not directions, but the specifications on it online, this said that this is great for dark color cars. So if you have a dark color car, be sure to spend a couple of bucks and get this. I'm not going to say that this wasn't expensive because it's more than what most people will spend on wax. I'll put that out there. I think this was like $60, $70. I can't remember. Maybe that's what it was before the discount, whatever. Either way, if this is going to provide the overall protection and look that I want to, you know, be a great pair for the glaze itself, I can't wait. This is what I'm definitely going to be testing over the next couple of days. I might do a video on it, probably, and maybe not, because I might want to bask in the luxuriousness of this wax myself. Either way, I'm excited to use this, and hopefully this will really make my car pop, because I do want it to look good before I trade it in, because, you know, I'm probably only gonna get like $500 for my car anyway, so I might as well try for $600, right? I mean, why wouldn't I? Alrighty guys, that's gonna be today's unboxing video. Again, we should be doing some videos here over the next couple of days, testing out some of these illustrious new products. Hopefully we can do more than just a couple videos. I wanna test all of them, but trying to detail your car and film all at the same time just becomes more of a headache, and it's not even fun to do because it takes away from the overall, for me, it's one of those satisfying things, and it takes away from that if I gotta keep working about the camera, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't want to make excuses, but it already sounds like I am. So that's going to be it, guys. If there's any other products out there that you would like me to try to get my hands on, that would be great. I did have someone hit me up that was like, hey, I want you to do some testing stuff on some of our products. I sent him an email. Where are you at? You hit me up. I hit you back. I'm still waiting to hear from you. Let's have a relationship. If there's any people out there that have seen this video and they're like, hey, I want to send Mike some stuff, hey, go ahead, hit me up. All that fun stuff should be down in the description. If not, it's on my About page. So that's going to be it, guys. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. I think that's what I'm supposed to say now. Don't forget to like this video. And again, leave a comment on stuff that you want to see, stuff that you definitely want to see out of this unboxing video. And we'll go from there. So you guys have a great day. Stay awesome. And I'll see you back here next time.
Damn. Yeah.